We welcome you to this. Mr. Rohit. We welcome you to the campus and thank you for coming and sharing your experience and wisdom with us, with our students. Thank you so much. And without wasting much time, I'll just quickly give you an introduction about our guest speakers. First of all, Mr. Rohit Rajput, who is the manager with the IBM Skills Build, an alumnus of Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. Rohit Rajput sir has completed his Masters in Development domain. He has attained his BTech in Computer Sciences from the University of Delhi and has more than 4 years of work experience. Having studied at the Social Science Institute all over India. Thank you, Rohit sir, for being with us today. Ms. Shubhangi Madan, who is a product manager with Biz Gurukul. She is an alumnus of Symbiosis University and the University of Delhi. She has been working in different domains like marketing, sales, and now product. She started her career from business development and then moved to marketing. She holds 4 years of experience in sales and marketing, and now she is leading the product team at Biz Gurukul and EdTech startup. She has been a judge and panelist at Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies in their Entrepreneurship Fest in 2019, and she has delivered various career development workshops in Chandigarh Group of Colleges, Indo Global College of Engineering, and many more. We welcome you, Mr. Shubhangi, to the campus once again, and thank you for being with us. Without wasting much time, I'll straight away hand it over to Ms. Shubhangi. Thank you so much.
I've been eating. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for joining us today. So honestly, we are here for an IBM Skills Build workshop. There is no doubt about it. But we will not keep it boring at all. मुझे पता है कि कॉलेज के सारे workshops सर्टिफिकेट के लिए हम आ तो जाते हैं, बट मेंटली हम शायद अभी भी इंडिया की हार में ही होंगे. So I know it was very difficult for all of us, except कि 11 मैच जीतने के बाद भी so basically the feeling is mutual. Thank you. मैं आपकी लेक्चरर नहीं. I am neither any of the teacher at any of the college, so I don't like talking to students like a lecturer or a professor or a trainer or something like that. I am here just for a very small discussion on marketing. So I just got to know that all of you sitting here are all management students, right? Yes. So you all are studying management already, and you are in your first year most probably? Final. First year and final year both. Okay, great. So first and second year management students are already here, and मैं जो आपको शायद आज बताऊंगी, I don't think that will be like बहुत नया है, because of the social media हमारे पास information already बहुत सारी है, right? तो it's all about practice more than what we get as an information. Your textbooks, your social media, Google already has all the answers, but it's all about a little bit of experiences and the practice that somebody might have and you don't have right now, right? So it will be obviously I have prepared a PPT. I will share some of the snippets of what I have learned, or what traditional and what is marketing in 2023. But beyond this, I really want to know how many of you are actually interested in marketing, like going beyond this. Like a few hands are up that you are interested in marketing. So rest of other people are interested in what exactly? HR, operations, finance, product. कोई product में interested है यहाँ पर? नहीं है? ठीक है, but marketing में होगे तो indirectly product में you guys will be interested, and it's because marketing is a very 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 wide term और उसको आप एक शब्द में या एक लाइन में define नहीं कर सकते. It has like endless opportunities, endless career options. So there is no doubt about it. तो एक बहुत छोटी टर्म है और I don't किया जा सकता है, राइट? इट इज़ 2 साल आप लोग पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है, तो 2 साल तो पढ़ने में लग जाते हैं, उसके बाद सालों उसको समझने में लग जाते हैं और एग्जीक्यूट करने में लग जाते हैं. देयर लाइक स्टिल वेरी हैंडफुल ऑफ गुड मार्केटर्स जिनको हम जानते हैं, राइट? So people actually spend their whole life learning what marketing is and how they pursue it, how they build a brand or something like that, right? So I might try not to be boring, but and all of you are like comfortable in English and Hindi, right? Yes. Because English is a professional language, we know that, but Hindi, you know, दिल से निकलती है, right? So I think it will be a mix and match of both the languages. So let's just move forward. Thank you Preeti ma'am, she has already introduced me very well, but फिर भी those who have not, you know, जिनको आदत नहीं है ऐसे सुनने की कि भाई हम तुम्हें क्यों सुने, तो it's just मेरे पास कोई बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, it's just शायद आप लोगों से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, that's the only difference, right? मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की थी, I was an economics student. I have done my grad from Delhi University in economics honors from GGS. सबको पता ही होगा, मेरा पास में है college, right? So I did my grad from economics and then I moved towards international trade. मैंने अपना masters किया international trade में from Symbiosis University Pune. And then after that I started working in a startup. मैंने KPMG में काम किया है, startups में work किया है, 2-3 different startups में jump किया है. Started with sales, then my interest developed in marketing, so मैंने marketing में काम करना शुरू किया. And मतलब तब शायद हमें कॉलेज में बहुत सारा डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के बारे में नहीं पढ़ाया जाता था. So we learned like hands-on experience on digital marketing, exactly what it is, how it actually works. Then eventually, like couple of years back, my interest in product got developed and I moved towards product development. तो मैंने वहाँ पर एक edtech में product strategist और product development में start किया. Today I am working there as a product manager, और I see all the product and the tech part in the organization. And after all these like years of experience, the only thing I am here for is like आप जो भी पढ़ रहे हो टेक्स्ट बुक में या कहीं पर भी, honestly टेक्स्ट बुक ज़्यादा काम नहीं आती है. It's the hard reality, ठीक है? But you know, to start your career you need a degree. That's why your MBA will play a role. But beyond that, it's all the skills that you have. If you have a skill, I don't think कि कोई डिग्री हो ना हो, कितने नंबर आए कितने नहीं आए हैं, ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बट अगर आपके पास स्किल नहीं है, then you will keep jumping from one job to another, thinking कि मुझे क्या करना है, you know, in all confusion, right? So even after this session, IBM is offering you a lot of courses. There is no doubt about it, and बहुत सारे अच्छे courses IBM offer करता है. Then Bisgurukul जहाँ से मैं आती हूँ, they also, you know, have a lot of courses. You can definitely explore them after the session. The main thing is skill. According to me, it's a very personal opinion, but according to me and my experience, I always place skills over degree, right? And that's what I promote. I may be wrong. I'm not claiming that it is something that you should stand by, but it is all my experience, right? So that is where the content is coming from, right? According to you, okay. So let's just begin. We all know what was marketing in like 1990s. अगर लोगों तक बात पहुंचानी होती थी 1990s में, तो बड़ी होती थी what was a channel there? 101 था, billboards थे, newspapers थे. Newspapers basically that was the media then. अगर मुझे कहीं पर भी बात पहुंचानी है कोई भी, तो newspapers were actually the मेजर थिंग. आपको मैट्रिमोनियल एड्स भी वही दिखती थी, आपको रियल एस्टेट एड्स भी वही दिखती थी, आपको बिस्किट की एड भी वही दिखती थी, आपको यू नो एनी बिग थिंग, आपको कॉलेज की एड्स भी वही दिखती थी. तो आपको कुछ भी करना था, न्यूज़पेपर इज अ थिंग. आपको जॉब ढूंढनी है तो भी आपको वही ढूंढनी है, राइट? सो दैट वाज अ मेजर यू नो पीस ऑफ मार्केटिंग बैक देन. बट नाउ like let's come to 2023. What is the major marketing channels do you think? Social media, email marketing, okay, or affiliate marketing,
e-commerce platform.
E-commerce. So okay, so that's a platform. It's not a channel of
Influencer marketing.
Sorry.
Influencer marketing.
Influencer marketing. Okay, yeah, great. So social media marketing के अंदर ही आ गया. Right, but today it's but there are like still some traditional methods that we already follow. हम सबने कल मैच देखा, like 90% लोगों ने मैच देखा. मैच में marketing करना is a traditional form of marketing, but it is still relevant. Right? Because why? Because marketing is all about where your attention is. जहाँ पर भी eyeballs है, just reach there. That's how marketing happens. Right? आपको वहाँ पहुँचना पड़ेगा जहाँ आपकी audience exist करती है. That's where marketing starts. Right? So basically, newsstands but marketing is not equal to selling. And marketing is not equal to advertising. It's a very, very limited knowledge of what marketing is all about. Sales और marketing बहुत different departments हैं और sales और marketing बहुत different तरीके से operate भी करते हैं. In an organization also, these are very two different departments. Yes, a collaboration of these two departments can be called marketing. Right? Marketing is a very different term. And it depends on project to project. Because marketing is basically a process of collaboration between marketing and sales. Right? And 2020 की LinkedIn की report पे ये बोला भी था that marketing, जिस भी project के अंदर marketing is something that has been followed. उस project rate के completion होने के जो successful completion का जो rate है वो 15% से बढ़ जाता है. Right? So it's basically the collaboration of two different departments. जब दो different genre के लोग साथ में मिलके किसी project के ऊपर काम करते हैं, which is sales and marketing. That's where marketing happens, and that's how the thing. Otherwise, these are very two different things. एक का काम है लोगों तक पहुंचाना, दूसरा का पूरा focus है कि आप खरीदो. अगर वो चीज़ बिकी नहीं है, मतलब sales तो नहीं हुई. Right? And marketing का हर बार काम sales होता ही नहीं है. राइट हर बार मार्केटिंग का काम सेल्स है. अगर बायजूस लिखा हुआ है टी शर्ट के ऊपर तो वो मार्केटिंग का पार्ट है. वो आपको वो ये नहीं, वो उससे सेल्स नहीं हुई. राइट 5 करोड़ लोगों ने कल लाइव मैच देखा है अगर, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो 5 करोड़ लोग में से कुछ 10% भी जाके कल बायजूस खरीदने वाले, ऐसा नहीं होगा. तो दैट वॉज नॉट इक्वल टू सेल्स. तो मार्केटिंग के ऐसे बहुत सारे तरीके हैं जो सेल्स की तरफ नहीं जाते. राइट? And then it is not about advertisement also.
We don't get Rashput, that is getting sensible. Similarly, unnecessary design information. There has been a trend that people are now more into designing their resumes in a very colorful format through Canvas or through third AI platforms. वो आपका resume aesthetically बहुत अच्छा बना देगा maybe, but trust me, in today's scenario, your basic black and white resume is more sellable than the creative ones. So if you want to stick to the authentic, older version, traditional formats of resume, they are good. Alright? You don't have to get into the Canva ones, the colorful ones. Although it's a very personal choice, but yes. You don't have to mention your entire home address. You are from Delhi, that would suffice. You don't have to mention my street ये है, मेरा घर ये है, मेरा मकान नंबर ये है, nothing. Then comes your resume objective. You should always mention the 2 to 3 liner description at the beginning of a resume. That what are you looking for, what are your skill set. उसी के basis पे your 30 seconds में resume select और reject होता है. So be very concise with that. And personal social media अगर आपके links जैसे LinkedIn हो गया, so do mention about that because actually that creates a very professional perspective in the eyes of the employer. And आप कोई भी irrelevant जैसे आप कोई जॉब ढूंढ रहे मार्केटिंग की एंड आप उसमें लिख रहे हो कोई ऐसी चीज़ विच इज़ नॉट रेलिवेंट. मैंने अपने स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्पिटिशन पार्टिसिपेट किया एंड दैट इज नॉट लिंक्ड टू द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन यू अप्लाई फॉर एंड आपको हर चीज़ सिंगल पेज पे ही फिट करनी है. सो यू कैन अवॉइड द इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट डजंट अलाइन विद द जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. Alright, so be very concise with what you are mentioning in that one page. If your achievement, if your accomplishment doesn't align with the job description, you can avoid that. Alright. Generally, what we do is कि हम एक template बना लेते हैं and we keep shooting that to all the employees. I'd rather recommend you to customize it based on the jobs you are applying for. And of course, do not opt for the fonts which are silly. बहुत सारे font है. It's better to stick to Arial, Times New Roman. Although they are very overtly used, so you can explore some professional fonts, but do not opt for some silly words. And also, there is a hobby section which generally people are not mentioning it in today's century. But earlier there were a lot of people who used to mention some silly hobbies. कि मुझे I love dancing in the rain, I love swimming in the shower. All these shitty hobbies don't mention. If you have some real ones, then only mention. If you like reading, because see, you would be scrutinized on what you are mentioning. So be very concise with that. So let's talk about the interview aspect. So once your resume is selected or rejected, once your selection has been happened, the next round comes as the interview round. It could be virtual, it could be in an offline format. So we will talk about some interview questions and what are the reasons of rejection and how to get yourself selected in the interviews. So before we get into that segment, I would like to introduce you to the IBM Skillsful Initiative. आपके IP यूनिवर्सिटी की पार्टनरशिप हुई है IBM के साथ, and under that partnership, skill development and employment support is given to all the students, to even all the affiliated colleges. तो आप सबको स्किल डेवलपमेंट सपोर्ट मिलेगा थ्रू एन एडटेक प्लेटफॉर्म, जैसे बेस गुरुकुल हो गया, जैसे IBM स्किल्सफुल हो गया, आपने कोर्सेरा, यूडेमी, खान अकेडमी का नाम सुने होंगे, राइट? तो सिमिलरली IBM का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म है कॉल्ड स्किल्सफुल, बट द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस इनिशिएटिव इज कंप्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. This is not a sales pitch, this is not a commercial thing I'm doing it right now. It is completely free of cost coming to you because of the partnership. So the best part about the platform is that it offers 85,000 learning activities. Alright. First is 85,000 courses to offer. Second, it is completely free of cost. Yeah, please maintain थोड़ा silence. I'm trying to deliver some information. I'll just take another 15-20 minutes and I'll wrap this up. Please be very careful. Alright. मेरे को माइक पे बोलना पड़ा तुम्हारी टेंशन. So where was I? IBM platform has 85,000 courses. It is completely free of cost coming to you, and it provides you with the lifetime access. Even if you graduate from the Geeta Rattan institution, you would be able to leverage this platform and its benefit. And also, on successful completion, you would get IBM certificates and badges जो आप LinkedIn पे share कर सकते हो, अपने प्रोफाइल पे attach कर सकते हो, even print out ले जाके अपने next job के लिए ले जा सकते हो. Are you all with me? So, अभी जनरली क्लास में कुछ समझ नहीं आता. What we generally do is कि हम YouTube पे जाते हैं, हम सीखते हैं वो 1 घंटे के लेक्चर के बाद we're done with it. But that YouTube video doesn't demonstrate your completion or you know about that domain. That doesn't demonstrate your accomplishment in that domain. But you need a tangible proof. आपको डिग्री मिलेगी MD की, right? Which is a requisite to apply for any job. Similarly, the certificates give a proof of accomplishment in that domain. So that is about the features of it. So let's do a sample activity right now. So you all have mobile phones. I will give you the real-time access to this platform so that you can start operating it. To the people who have previously attended this workshop, please help your colleagues in the same. How would you get this certificate? This is a sample certificate with the activity called 125 common interview questions. We would do this sample activity, get yourself registered. This is the QR code. So a single student can do it and post it in the common WhatsApp group because आप सभी class group में added होंगे. So any one of you can take an initiative and scan it and post it. Prachi, please. Alright. So please post this QR code in the common WhatsApp group. This is a link to register yourself on this platform. Done? Has everybody received this thing? Has everybody received the link? Yes? Okay, keep your phone aside. Let's carefully listen to how the procedure works. Then you can start practicing it in your devices. So, once you click on the link that has been sent to you, you will land onto a web page that talks about the login options. You can sign up with Google, you can sign up with LinkedIn, but we would prefer you to go with the Google sign up. So the first option is use my Google account. You all have to click over there. Once you click on use my Google account, the platform would ask you for the Gmail option you would like to opt for. So आपके जो फोन में जॉन सी की ईमेल आईडी होगी, आप उसमें से सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद आपका फर्स्ट नेम लास्ट नेम आपको डालना है. फैमिली नेम इज बेसिकली योर लास्ट नेम व्हिच यू हैव टू पुट. देन आपकी स्टेट कंट्री बाय डिफॉल्ट इंडिया आ रही होगी. आप लोकेशन में दिल्ली डाल सकते हैं. दैट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. Then in the second, which is the additional information, you will select your age as 18 to 25 years. Then you are looking for a job or a college student. आप इसमें से कुछ भी opt कर सकते हैं. Then there will be couple of check boxes. आप ये uncheck भी रखेंगे but fine if you don't want some reminder mails. But these are terms and conditions जो आपको opt करनी ही करनी है. So basically these are talks about the data confidentiality, data privacy, all of that. In the third terms and conditions, select all the check boxes. And then success. You are registered onto the platform. Very simple registration process. I'll repeat it. Use my Google account. Select the Gmail ID you want to register yourself with. Write your first name and last name. Select looking for a job or a college student. Opt for all the terms and conditions. And then once you click on submit, you are registered onto the platform. A very simple self-registration process. Once you are done, the platform would ask you for the language preference. You can opt for English as a preferred language, otherwise the Hindi is also an option. But I think you all should opt for English, since the platform will provide you a better navigation experience. So once you click on English, the platform would ask you the career choices, the area of interest. अगर मैं आपको 85,000 कोर्सेज दिखा दूंगा तो it would be very overwhelming for you, right? So the platform has the AI algorithm enabled, which gives you the course preferences based on your area of interest. तो आप यहाँ पे जो भी courses domain preferences select करेंगे, उसी के basis पे आपको courses recommendations आएगी platform पे. Have you got this? But since हमारे पास टाइम की काफी ज़्यादा कमी है, तो यहाँ पे हम अभी randomly कुछ भी select कर सकते हैं, या फिर बिना select करे भी हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं continue. Are you all with me? So अभी के लिए कुछ मत select करना, just click on continue because we want to just give you the navigational experience right now. So once you click on continue, the platform would ask you for a tutorial. आपको tutorial चाहिए? I am already giving you a tutorial, so you can click on cancel, and then there will be a pop-up coming called skip tutorial. So once you click on skip tutorial, you would land up on the home page of the platform. This is how the home page looks like. Are you all with me?
Yes, sir.
Doesn't look like पीछे बहुत बातें चल रही है. What's the commotion happening? So once you reach the home page, आपको search option दिख रहा है. On the bottom of the screen you would see a search option. अगर आप search option पे click करेंगे, तो आपको यहाँ पे कोई भी keyword के ऊपर search कर सकते हो. Marketing, sales, digital, anything you want to do, you would get the courses around that keyword from here. But right now I'm doing a sample activity called 125 interview questions. तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि आप सिर्फ 1 to 5 टाइप करना है आपको, ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं. So once you type 1 to 5, आपको पहली एक्टिविटी आएगी which is called 125 common interview questions. You all have to click on that activity and then the activity would open. एक्टिविटी के बॉटम में दो ऑप्शन आएंगे, मार्क कंप्लीट का, दूसरा आएगा गो टू दिस एक्टिविटी का. आपको पहले मार्क कंप्लीट पे क्लिक करना है बिकॉज हमने टेम्पररीली मार्क कंप्लीट का ऑप्शन इंक्लूड किया है सो दैट आप देख पाए कि कैसे सर्टिफिकेट्स मिलते हैं. तो आप सभी को अभी एक्चुअली कोर्स नहीं करना, सिर्फ मार्क कंप्लीट पे क्लिक करना है. आप घर जाके ब्लू बटन पे क्लिक करके एक्टिविटी देख सकते हैं कि हाउ इट इज डन. एंड सारे कोर्सेज को स्टार्ट करने का एक ही तरीका है, ऑलवेज क्लिक ऑन ब्लू बटन टू स्टॉप दिस, गो टू दिस एक्टिविटी. आर यू ऑल विद मी? So once you click on mark complete, एक पॉपअप आएगा, yes mark is complete. आपको उस पॉपअप पे क्लिक करना है. Then once you click on submit, वो आपसे ड्यूरेशन पूछेगा. By default 10-15 मिनट आएगा तो आपको वो भी रख देना है. And then you will click on submit. The moment you will click on submit, आपकी ये एक्टिविटी कुछ मिली सेकेंड्स में बफर होकर कंप्लीट हो जाएगी. Can you see the 3 dots?
Yes, sir.
किसी का अगर फोन स्क्रीन साइज छोटा है तो आपको थोड़ा सा स्क्वीज करना पड़ेगा अपना फोन को, या फिर टुवर्ड्स राइट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा. देन यू वुड बी एबल टू लोकेट दीस 3 dots, and then once you click on 3 dots, the first option is view completion certificate. तो जैसे आप व्यू कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट पर क्लिक करेंगे आपका सर्टिफिकेट आ जाएगा, एंड दिस इज हाउ योर सर्टिफिकेट वुड लुक लाइक, जिसको आप प्रिंट कर सकते हो, सेव एज पीडीएफ कर सकते हो, शेयर कर सकते हो एनी अदर सोशल मीडिया हैंडल. आर यू ऑल विद मी? So I want you to start practicing it in your phone right now. I'll give a quick recap right now. Done? Please help your fellow participants. जिनका हो गया, please help your classmates.